This is a little bit of an overview of what we have done in the last video, but I will try to go a little bit faster this time. We'll do the we change the playback speed. Yes, okay, faster. Okay, so what we are going to do is create a new website with authorization and then add all the files. So we'll um, have chain to individual user account, so we'll create it, and now we'll just simply debug and see rebuild. So rebuild succeeded, and we need to change the app settings, so we will copy that part from the old file. So because we don't know to create database just willy-nilly everywhere, so we will keep the same database. So we'll just copy the link from the old file, connection string from the old file to the new one. Just see how it goes. Yeah, okay, and we'll see whether we can register. We will register as a new with a new username. Then we will add the car controller. Sorry, the car model is the stuff we have done last time, so it is just a repeat. We'll add the car controller with the entity framework. It will automatically generate the user layout page in the shared folder and change the name to car. It will take a little bit of time. We'll see. It is generating the code, so it has finished. We'll see how it looks like. We'll see how it looks, and now we should be able to see the because it is the same database, we should be able to log in without registering as a new user, but maybe something wrong. So I have, it says forgotten password. Okay, oh, invalid login attempt, maybe wrong password. Okay, we will delete. We will use the uh, SQL Server Management Studio. It will take few minutes to load because it is a fairly big file. In the meantime, we'll have a look at the other files. So using SQL Server Management Studio, what we are going to do is we will look at that database, and yeah, okay, it is that one on the with the date 21st November. So we will look at the users folder, right click and select edit top 200 users. So we will delete all the users, so because this is just trial. um, you need to select the entire row so that you will be able to delete it here. Okay, delete it. Okay, and yeah, let me delete that one as well. Okay, so we should be able to register as a new user. So yeah, we need to register as a new user and confirm the email. Now login. Yep. Okay, so it is okay. We'll see how the car controller works. Okay, it can't access the web database. We'll see what is the problem. Okay, and maybe it is in the app setting. So in the app setting, they have added a separate connection string. So, but we have only one database, so we'll copy that one default connection string to the other one. That should solve the problem. Okay, so it looks okay. Okay, now we will step by step import the files from the old project. So it is in DD website 1. Select all, add, replace the existing files, and we'll start debugging and we'll see how it works here. Okay, and we'll see the car. Okay, you notice that even though we have replaced the files with the directly linked to the detail page here, it doesn't appear. So we will that is, I have seen that is occasionally happening in Visual Studio. So we will clean the project and then restart, and we'll see how it works. So we'll clean solution, we'll again debug, and we'll go to car. See, now it appears, so it's okay. So sometimes you need to do it. This is happening because we have not changed the routing protocols. So we need to change the routing. Okay, so we'll go to startup.cs and we'll copy from the old startup.cs. That is the old startup.cs, and instead of that part, I will replace that. Okay, now it automatically comes to the car page, and now here the link is also working. Okay, so okay, now we have done that part. We want to limit the editing to people who are logged in. So have a look at index. So index is okay, details okay. Everybody should be able to access index and details, but create, we will limit it to people who are logged in. That means authorized. So we'll use using, we'll copy and paste. copy and paste, authorize to everything including edit and delete, and also create. um, Later in the video we will limit it to editing is limited to only people who have created it, so that is the ultimate idea. So anybody can create a video, but only the person who has created the video can edit or delete the same video. Now we'll see how it goes. And so I am not logged in, so we'll see edit. So it asking to log in, so that means it is working. And in the details page we want to add a link to delete, so we change the word editing to just delete. Copy and paste. Okay, so delete button is there. Okay, it is asking to log in. And yeah, okay, once you log in, yes, okay, you have the delete button. Yeah, okay, we'll see whether we can create a new one and do a real delete itself. So delete, yes, okay, so it is deleted, so it is working. Okay, one last thing we are going to do in this video is, even though it comes automatically to the cars page, there is no link once somebody goes to some other link to come to the car page. So we will add that to the layout page, so it is in the shared, so we will see. So it should be in here. Clean this one a little bit, and okay, so there is a link to home, there is a link to so we will copy this part, control C, and then paste it and then edit that. That is easier. So controller name is car, action is index, and it should be named as car. Maybe you can say cars for sale to be proper, and we'll see how it looks. Debug, start debugging. Okay, so once we go to the home page, yeah, okay, you can put some content in here and go to cars for sale. Yes, okay, it is coming there. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video where we will limit the editing to the people who have um, created the listing. Thanks very much for watching.